What is going on, everyone? Mega here with a brand new mm, Python video. And in this tutorial, this isn't really more of a tutorial, but it's more just like just one of my videos of just me doing Python for my bot. But in this video, we're gonna be updating my info command, which I created in the very first. I think it was like the first Python video that I made. But or the reason why we're gonna be updating it now. Let me pull up the server right now, and I could show you. It's not this one. Yeah, it's this one right here. And I have the command already pulled up. So you can't really see that well, but let me see if I zoom in more. You can see it, but you still can't see it that well. But there's nothing I can do about it. But anyway, well, actually, I could just zoom in on Streamlabs really quick, and you can see it better that way. And I'll just move it back. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see it better. So, as you can see, I have my list of commands, and then I have this line here, which I was trying to create a line, but then which this looks fine, but then when we go down here, you can see there's an issue. Yeah, it looks really ugly. So we're gonna fix that. And actually, this like link right here is old. I need to update this link because I have different commands now, and well, it's the same permissions, I believe, but I really should update this link. So we're gonna do that really quickly. All right, and so let me minimize this and let me restore. There should be a way I can just. There we go. Okay, that's better. Well, you can't really see it that well, but well, let me zoom in a little bit more. Nah, I'll just leave it. So one thing you may notice is that the text is actually more visible now, is because I changed some settings. So if you go if you go into the file menu or go to settings, you can click on font, and that will bring you to a font size where you can change the font size. Normally, by default, it's set to 12. So I set it to 17 because we have these that we need to work with, and if I had it on 20, it would be a little difficult for me to work with. So actually, I'm actually just gonna set it to 20 so you can see it better, and I'll just deal with the difficulty. Yeah, there we go. That's a lot better. Now you can actually see everything. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to discord.com/developers. Damn it. There we go. And I'm gonna bring up my bot right here, but just in case, because I don't want anyone to hack my bot, I'm gonna do this on my other screen because I don't want my token to be visible. So we're gonna click on the bot that we're gonna use. In my case, it's Romani. And what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna go to bot, and yeah, my token isn't visible, so I can bring it back over here. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that there's just to take care of that. Okay, so you'll see that when we have this message here. No, once your bot reaches 100 or more servers, this will require verification and whitelisting, and there's a link here you can click. But what we want is that we want to our bot to be able to, my bot, I want him to be able to manage the audit log. No, actually, this is the wrong page actually. It's the OAuth 2 we need to go to. It's a bot. We're working with a bot. And we want them to manage servers. We want him to manage roles. We don't, well, actually, he doesn't have, my bot doesn't have permissions to manage server or to manage roles. I tried to create a role command, but I was having problems with it, so I just haven't gotten back to doing it. But that's something that I do want to look into. We're gonna do manage channels, kick members, ban members. Let's see, view channels, send messages, manage messages. Oh wait, we don't have a manage channels. It's manage messages we have. I'm gonna put embed links even though we don't have it. Attach files even though we don't have it. Read messages. And I don't have a mention to everyone, and I don't have that. I don't have that. Okay. And so it's gonna generate a link. So we're gonna copy that, and that's gonna be the new link that we're gonna put into the embed. So I can close this. And so let's bring up the command again. So what we're gonna do is that, let me move this over. And so what we're gonna do first is that we're gonna completely remove description because we don't need it. Everything's fine like that. And it's actually in add field that we need to make a change. We need to remove this. Up to where the actual colon is. And then what we're going to do is that, let's move this so it's on the same line. Okay. And so what we're going to do is comma inline, and we're going to set that to false. So this was actually something that I did know about when I originally made this command, but I wasn't too sure on what it actually did. But now I have more of an understanding of it. Basically, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It just determines if you want each field to be on the same line as each other. If you set each of the end lines to false, then it's not gonna put the fields on the same line. It's gonna put them as an actual list going top to bottom, which is what we want. And so we're going to do the same thing right here. I'm going to move this over so it's on the same page, same line. And we're going to do inline equals false. You can actually, still can't really see this. So let me make this even bigger, because you cannot see that. Make that 25. There you go. Now you can see it. Okay. Let's move this over. And then comma inline equals false. There we go. Move this over. Comma inline equals false. And then, and here is where we actually need to make more of a change. So you'll see that I have value in blank and name, and for the name I put my prefix is r dot. We're gonna change this because if we leave this as is, it's gonna cause an error. So what we want is that we need to change this to prefix, and then change this to my prefix is r dot. There we go. And then do the same thing. Inline equals false. And then the final thing we need to change is that we need to delete this link and put the new link. And then same thing. Inline equals false. Okay, and that's all we need to change there. Okay, and that's good. And so now, before we continue, I'm actually gonna pull up I'm gonna pull up console.cloud.google, and I'm actually gonna delete my bot. That way I could test this to make sure that it's working. It should work though. Go down to compute engine, VM instances. And you can see that I am running out of trial time. And we're gonna delete. That way I don't have to delete it later. Okay, and I'm gonna close this. And now I can test the bot by pressing play. Okay, no errors. So I'm gonna pull up the bot. And so now if I do r.info, I know you can't see this, but oh, there it goes. It just took a while to launch. Okay, so now this is how it looks. Let me zoom it in. So now it has the messages, and you can see the difference. It looks a lot better. And yeah. All right. So let me bring that back. Okay, and so now I need to do go into Imgur because I have some images to upload. And so yeah, that's pretty much I'm gonna do the same process. So I'm gonna just do this really quick, and because it would be pretty boring for you to just see me just dragging and dropping images. So I'm just gonna do this really quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and I finished uploading everything. So now we have 10 Brynhilder images. We have 10 Tamamo Lancers, and we have 10 Medusas. So we are gonna go ahead and continue. And while I was uploading that, I closed the bot. So let me reopen it. And also, there's been an update. So on Google Cloud, my free trial is expiring. So I am gonna be hosting my bot locally from now on. How Google Cloud works is that they give you a year free trial and 300 quick credits, and whatever you run out of first, they start charging you after that. And I have like 6 days left in my trial and about 179 credits left. And I do not want to be charged, so I am gonna be just hosting my bot locally. Basically, any time that I'm gonna use the bot, I'm gonna have to turn it on, which will be fine until I can afford to host it, but I cannot afford to do that right now. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go over to A tier. And what we're gonna do is that first off, I need to add in the new servants. So right here, this is the servant's name. So the first one, we're gonna add in. First off, I need to cut this, put this right here. We're gonna put in, hang on, my phone's on my desk, so let me put that back in my pocket so I can focus on what I'm doing. My wrist is not on my phone. Okay, and the what we're gonna do is that for the name, if I can spell her name right, Bryn. I think that's how her name is spelled. Let me look it up. If I can spell it right. Bryn Hildry. Yep, that's how it's spelled. Come on. And we're gonna copy that. Comma. Quotation. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. And that's 10. And we're gonna need a comma because we need to add more servants. And this is gonna be 20 to 29. All right, and first off, let me pull up her in here, because fate / prototype fragments. Okay, because the series she originally is from is fate / prototype fragments. Fate / prototype : fragments. That's how it's spelled? Yeah. We're gonna copy this. Alright, 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. And that's 10. Okay. And we're gonna add more to this, so I'm gonna put a comma right there. Yeah, and I put the comma right there, and so this is gonna be 20 to 29, and I'll put Bryn. And I'll also put Bryn right here. Well, I don't need to do it right there because I know who it is, because I can see the name. And I'll put Shiki Saber right here, so I know who it is. Okay. Yeah, and I should put it right there. Actually. Copy. And this is comma. This is 10 to 19. I could have just copied the entire thing. Okay. And now we're gonna start copying the images. Oops. So we're gonna go, I don't need this anymore. I'm gonna start copying the images. So copy image location. That's 1. All right, the second one. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. Wait, I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should be on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we did 5. So we need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did 6. So now we need 7. Now we need 8. Now we need 9. And the last one. Okay. And a comma, because we're going to add 2 more sets of images. 20 to 29. And this is Bryn. Okay. All right. Next one. This is Tamamo no Mai. Lancer. And we're gonna copy and paste. Copy. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. That's 10. We need a comma here, and this is 30 to 39. And this, the tomorrow normalized lancers from fake grand order. Copy this. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. And that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And that's 30 to 39, and I'll put Tamamo Lancer. And then for this one, oops, I don't need this one anymore. And now we just do these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. So the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, which was the first one? I always forget the 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So we're on the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this one. Now this one. Now this one. And this one. Okay, so this should be 10 images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Okay. And let me just verify that there's no duplicate images. No, there isn't. Okay, so we're good. And this is 30 to 39. Tamamo Lancer. Okay, and now we're gonna go up to last one is Medusa. That's I'll just copy. That's 2. That's 3. Oops. Shit. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. 7. That's 8. That's 9. 10. And we're gonna add more to it, but that's for next time. So let me just verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this entire list, we should have 49. So let's verify really quick. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Perfect. 49. And she is from Fate Stay Night. / Stay Night. Copy this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're not going to add any more to this. 40 to 49. Medusa. Verify. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Perfect. And now the Medusa images. Copy image location. That's the first one. Now the second one. Now the third one. Now the fourth one. Now the fifth one. Now the sixth one. Now the seventh one. Now the eighth one. Now the ninth one. And now the 10th one. Okay. (40 to 49) Medusa. And again verify. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay? And now we're going to go to images and we're going to remove some of these that we don't need anymore. So let's see. Because eventually this whole script is going to go away. Okay. Bryn, we don't need. Okay, let's see. Shiki we don't need because we have her in S tier and E tier. We don't need this one either because we did that already. We did Artoria also. Let me actually go up to the top and go through these to see. I'll pull up my tier list and put it on my other screen so I can accurately remove stuff. Okay, this we need. So Cleopatra, she is in A tier, so we still need her. Semiramis, she is. Let me see. She is in A tier, which we haven't done yet. Tomorrow, my Lancer, we already did. We did today. Medusa, we did today. Medea, she is. I don't think she's. I think she's an A tier. Yes, she is. We haven't done her yet. Irie, she's an A tier, and we haven't done her yet. She's an A tier. We haven't done her yet. Gorgon, we haven't done her yet. Shikibu, I believe she's an A tier. I'm just trying to find her. Oh, I cannot find her. But I know she's somewhere in this list. I just can't find her. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Hold on. Nope. Where is she? There she is. And yeah, she is in B tier actually. And I'm just going to delete all of this because I'm not going to use any of it. Cleopatra, I'm still using. The Marble Lancer, I don't need. Medusa, I don't need. I don't know what this is. Ishtar, I don't need. Saber Altar, I don't need. Altera, I believe she's an 8 S tier. Yes, she is. Skadaj is an S tier. Lancer Altar is not an S tier. Lancer is an S tier. Medusa, I don't need. Leo is in a S tier. I don't need this either. Shit. Okay, that's it. So now we're gonna go back to the general. I believe it's in general. Yes, it is. So how many did we add? So we have 0 to 49. So we need, I added 3. 20, 21, 20. 20, 21. So I added 2 to S tier. So I need 3 more on top of this. So 22, 23, 24. So 324. And then I need to recalculate the and A tier is from 0 to 49. To 49. Okay. And so now let's bring up the calculator. So this number is never changing. So now we need 3%. So 324 times 3% equals 9. So round it up to 10. So that's fine, because we want it to be below from 1 to 10. Okay. This tier, which is 1, 3, I think it was 10% chance, then 50% chance, then 80%. Yeah, 10%. So 324 times 10% chance. Yeah, that's fine. Then 50% chance, 324 times 50% equals 162. So this actually needs to be 163. Because we want the max to be 162. And then everything else. Okay. That should do it. So let's run the bot. Okay. So now let's pull up Discord. Let's run the new command. Works fine. And now I'm gonna spam this command until I get something new. Which is gonna take a while. Which is gonna take some time. Well, I'll just leave it because it would take forever to get this, but yeah. But yeah, that's gonna do it. And again, my bot is gonna be hosted locally now, so I'm not gonna be doing any hosting from now on. So yeah, this has been Mega, and I will see you again next time.